It's no surprise that the sidewalks and most likely your driveway are a bit of a mess. Now, with this much snow, it can be tricky to get your car out. KBOI2's Lauren Clark tells us an interesting technique you can use with something in your fridge.
Okay, Brian. Full disclosure, this is going to sound ridiculous, but you got to go with me here because I promise it works. Believe it or not, pickle juice actually works wonders in melting the snow. I'll show you guys this right here. You just put it all around your tire right there, and that should get things moving. And an awesome part about it, too, is that you can also just nibble on a pickle if you want. But if you don't have one of these in your refrigerator, there's other techniques that you can use, too.
Snow, snow, and more snow. Many neighborhoods are looking exactly like this after the storms keep coming and the snow keeps piling. If your car is snowed in and stuck, there's a few things you can do. First, try shoveling the snow out of your driveway and around your car. But if that still doesn't work, that's when de-icer comes in. But that's hard to locate in stores right now, so sand or kitty litter will do the trick too. But if you're really desperate, that's when you can rummage through the trash. Try to find any kind of cardboard or plywood. This creates traction and helps your tires push off.
And this is really good too, you guys, because you will probably almost always have this. It's a car mat. Put this right next to your tire right here, and that should create a really good platform to get things rolling, to get you unstuck. Reporting live here in Boise, Lauren Clark, KBOI2 News.